Then we got another GT. His shit cleaner than mine though. We got another Mustang.
Oh, look at him. I did that
Mach
too.
1. We got the C5 vet. You dig? Let's catch the back of that. We got the 5.0. And we got the GT convertible. We got another GT without no symbols on that bitch, so you know he working. We got that monster in there. And we got another vet, the Z06. Yeah, that's how they doing it out here. Then we got the Marrow. You dig? With the white pinstripes. Then we got another Mustang 5.0 California Special. It's too many cars, bruh. Niggas don't want to fuck with us right now.